हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? कैसे, सब ठीक है? शमीर अहमद, वालेकुम अस्सलाम। डे पीछे Chaplin, yeah. Hello there. I guess you have joined from Telegram. San FX Kalpa. Hello. Hi, San. So, how are you all? My voice is audible? Can you guys confirm it? इमरान परंदावाला, वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जनाब, क्या हाल है? यस, थैंक यू सो मच समीर शमीर। हाँ जी, ठीक है। और फिर बताओ। अच्छा, अभी न्यूज़ को कितना, 10 मिनट है? हाँ जी, 10 मिनट है, बहुत है। ठीक है, 10 मिनट में हम रैप अप कर लेंगे। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माय क्वेश्चन इज़ टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू जो कल यहाँ पे प्रीवियस स्ट्रीम में थे। बाइज आप लोग यहाँ पे कोई बाई एंटर किया है कि नहीं? आप लोग ने कोई सेटअप लिया बाइंग का, या कैसे, या जस्ट जाने दिया फिर गोल्ड को ऊपर? कल हम इधर पे ही थे, राइट? ये हमारा एरिया था। Hey master, how are you, bro? How are you doing? I'm fine. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so yes, I think we should wrap up now for the news coming up. Okay, this was the yesterday's buying level. We were discussing, right? Then we got this resistance. Uh, I was waiting for a breakout and then a retest. Okay, so this was the target actually I was talking about yesterday. Okay, nobody has taken. It's okay. So leave it for now. The bad thing is, like, when I left the chat, I left the stream, the gold started moving up. Till then it was ranging badly. Hi, somebody has written in Bengali. Hi there. Okay, so we have two news today. The first and foremost important one is NFP, right? And NFP is they're predicting is to be negative, but I suppose then that it could be positive, right? Because if you look at continuing jobless claim, if we look at past ADP data news, right? We had ADP on Wednesday, we had continuing jobless claim, we had jobless claim data. So looking at all the job market news datas, the government one, the private one, I suspect this could be positive. Though they're saying that yes, they're also suspecting less number of unemployed people as to the previous data released, right? So if we have a less number of people, non-farm payrolls means there are less number of employed people. So if there are less number of employed people, which is negative, I could say in a short form, means like we don't have much salaries. So people have less jobs, more people are unemployed. In that case, right, so it is not good for gold. If there are less unemployed people, then it's not an positive sign for the economy, right? So in that case, gold could go up if you see negative numbers. If you see positive numbers, right, the numbers should be more than 142, right? If you see 145 here, then probably we can see gold dumping, right? And gold can again revisit to these levels very quickly and an easy way, right? So I'll write it here. If you see positive NFP, that is bad for gold, means gold will go bearish, right? Good for economy, bad for gold, right? Because there are more number of employed people. Okay, so sorry about this. The second thing we have is unemployment rate, right? So if you have listened to the speech of J Powell, which he was talking about, तो जो बात कर रहे थे J Powell के speech, he said like yes, he agreed that unemployment has decreased in a slower rate, right? You could see that this unemployment is 4.2%, right? In earlier, before COVID, it was around below 3% or something like that, he said. So he said it will take time to decrease these numbers, because there are a lot of unemployment in the country right now. That's why. So this could be another figures to see that how many numbers are employed and unemployed. So these two things are contradictory. Like this, they are. एक minute, I'll write it here for clear understanding. If we see negative UN, I will write it UNP, unemployment, right? Then that's gold is bearish. Likewise, positive unemployment, bullish. Okay. So these are the two things. This is the fractal zone, and where gold is trending right now. We could have two possibilities. This gold bullish, and the target is 2485, but this is the first target. Yes. So all-time high is the target for today. If we see negative NFP numbers, and yes, to the downside we have this. If we see positive NFP numbers, so what if we see a mixed kind of data? Okay, in that case we will take a decision looking at the price action, right? If you see any kind of mixed data, let's suppose these two are not aligning. If both of this comes negative, like NFP comes negative, also unemployment comes negative, then it's easy. We can look for bullishness in gold, just bit like after a little bit of manipulation maybe, right? If you see positive numbers, then we can sell gold. Both should be positive. We can sell gold, and maybe we can expect some sort of manipulation. But what if these two are not matching? These two are totally different. In that case, we will have a mixed data, and looking at the price action, that time we'll take the decision, because this is a fractal zone for now, and this is also a flip zone from where gold should turn either north or either south, right? So we have 3 minutes left. Amazing, guys. Okay, so people who are new to this channel, I would request them to please subscribe this channel, right? And you can like as well. Okay. So we have to earn. Also we have the third news, which is average hourly earnings. So these all are related to employment, salary, earnings, and which is the financial part of the GDP. So GDP is like we have the commercial sector, we have the I can say manufacturing side, we have the also the retail sides, we have the earning side. So this is a part overall which is related to all the earnings thing, कि लोग कितना कमा रहे हैं, कितने लोग एम्प्लॉयड हैं, ठीक है, कितना कमा रहे हैं, कितने लोग बेरोज़गार हैं. तो ये सारी उनसे रिलेटेड चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है. तो first of all, the first important thing is the NFP, the second is unemployment rate, and the third is average hourly earnings. If I'll rank them, these two are almost similar, but the highest focusable for today is NFP, जिसमें ज़्यादा focus है. So they are expecting it to be negative, which should support the gold bullishness, because NFP is if negative, gold should go bullish, right? But let's see. I suspect that it could be positive as well. Let's see. Master Kelvin, thank you so much, buddy. Hey bro, what's your view? We could write in the comment box as well if you're comfortable with that. What do you think about gold right now? We guys, we have a master, you could say my friend, my trading friend, my partner, or he's a legend, guys. He is a good trader in our community, so his views matters, right? He is a long term plus short term. I could say he's more of a long term trader. And too late new for a view, sorry. Okay, too late now for a view. Okay, okay, okay. So simply you can write a buy or sell. A buy or oi. Okay, we had the news release. Sorry. The numbers as positives, superlative positive. Arey baap re. Arey baap re. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, so we had a positive numbers. Amazing. Manipulation to the downside and then fly. All right, brother. Okay, I don't think so. We will be flying back. What do you think? The numbers are not. Okay, so yes, we had average early earnings positive. We have the NFP super positive 254, as I was expecting that this could be positive, right? Because the job market is going good, as I have explained, and unemployment is also positive. Uh, yes. Okay, okay, okay. So everything is supporting to the bullish, bearish side of the goal. All right. So our job is now to look for a bearish setup. Okay. So see this. This was the fractal zone. This was amazing. As long as sustain above 30. Okay. Kelvin FX is saying, but we go with the data, never against the data. Retracement and sell if you have any. Yes. All right. Okay. Yes, for sure. Because we have NFP today, right? The almighty data. So we should be very, uh, you know, we should think twice before going against the NFP. But only if price action allows. What is this? I will. Acha. Something. Sorry. Leave it. So again, this is the only zone I should wait for. Nothing, because boy, sahab, look at the huge candle. It's how much? 170 pips just straight away in 1 minute. I don't have any zones apart from this. This was the flip zone, and this will act as a sell zone right now. So yes, if gold retraces here, then definitely I'll be looking for 2600 today. Let's see. So we should wait for retracement, guys. Okay, no entry then, later than before that, and need a sort of confirmation, or maybe yes, this is the zone, and need a sort of confirmation with this, and yes, we can target the lows. All right. If gold has to be bullish, then we have a structure here. Then this, there should be a market structure shift over here. Only then we can consider gold bullish again, right? With before then, it's very difficult. And looking at this data, it's super positive, right? So it will be very risky one to go against the data right now, because at least NFP can give more of a 300 pips move to the one side, right? Because I have watched so many of NFPs. With my experience, I can say that almost 300 pips could be expected, 300 to 400, but minimum 300 pips move could be seen in NFP. Okay, because the numbers are super positive. It is almost more than double. Yes, almost double, right? And yes, everything is favoring to the downside. Let's wait for retracement, and then we go bullish again. Sorry, bearish again. Sorry. Master Kelvin FX is saying, I know that you don't watch my videos analysis, but look at it, it's very interesting. Bro. I'm expecting a retracement of. I no. Sorry for that. Actually, bro. things apart. I don't have couldn't manage time for watching the videos. Okay, if you have explained that, amazing. Then everything I think is aligning with our view. Let's go to your target and mine target as well. Mine is 2600. Yes, 17. This is the zone. Let's see if wait for a retracement and then we go bearish again. Joking, bro. Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's okay. Totally fine. Uh, monstrous fall. हाँ जी ऐसा ही है. Yes, that was amazing. This was the liquidity we were talking about yesterday, right? Uh, this was previous day high, the Asian liquidity, and once gold took that liquidity, this 2670 zone, this was the ultimate game changer level. Above that, it was bullish, as I have told yesterday also, that we could see 2700 if only we get to see a break above this zone, but gold couldn't break this level, and hence yes, we should be bearish for now. Well done, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Have you taken any sell? Because I couldn't do anything. I was on buys. Yesterday I had buys. I booked partial almost, and I had runners break even with this. I had buy from 40 or something, 50 is here, 50, and here also. All my break even has been done, and I couldn't take any sell trade. So I'm not in any position right now. The issue that we are facing from the technical side is that gold has refused to break out to the upside. This is now a retest area of yesterday's move. Yes, definitely. But that's what we are in a like this is the two ultimate levels, 2640 and 2670. A breakout to the either side will decide a long term move in gold. If we see a breakout for 2640 today, then definitely we can see much lower numbers than 2600. Maybe we can see 2500, 90, 80 zones as well, but we should see a clear breakout in even maybe in 4 hour or in at least 1 hour of this 2640 zone, or for the upside 2700 or maybe a new all-time high again. We should see a breakout of this 2670. So these are the two barriers right now for price. Okay, it's retracing for now, but okay, not much of price action for now to take sells. Let's see what happens further. Especially below. Hanji, it's correct, bro. That's the view. I will not suggest you to take buy right now. Waiting for retracement to the 2 hour zone for further selling continuation. ठीक है. We are done. This was very accurate from my view too. Hence, I will also mention the manipulation move down if price remains 2630. As usual, orders are coming in and we are in the wrong side of the market. What about placing a sell limit at 26.55? No, 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 I won't suggest for a sell limit right now because need to observe a price action, right? Because you could put a sell limit at 26.56 with a tighter stop loss, but uh, yes, the stop loss should be tightened, and confirmation would be much greater if golds wants to manipulate further. Because looking at the news, I guess very few people could have caught this move with the news release, because as soon as the news was just printing, we saw this move, right? So people would be looking for a selling opportunity, maybe just like how we are thinking. So might be it's possible that gold can manipulate a bit. Okay, this is the zone, ultimate zone, but maybe we had imbalance over here to the upside, right? So it's possible that we can see a manipulation and break again, a breakdown to the zone, and then on a retest we can sell, right? So this is my way of trading. I just look for confirmation if we want to put a limit, but it should be with a tighter SL, right? Okay. हाँ जी व्यूवर्स, क्या हाल है? कोई सेल शेल ली कि नहीं? ऐसे लेट हुए, अब आप बाइंग पे थे, क्या सीट है? Thank you, Kelvin, for your inputs. I really appreciate that, and yes, it's helping a lot with, actually, it's matching with our forecast as well. So yes, it's good. We are on the right side. अच्छा व्यूअर्स बताएं क्या हाल है, कुछ क्या बाय सेलिंग कुछ की है यहाँ पे? न्यूज़ से पहले किसी ने सेल ली हो एंट्री? अगर प्राइस सॉरी दोबारा इस जोन में रिट्रेस कर लेती है ना, विल बी नाइस। बट इन केस अगर ये अपना ये स्ट्रक्चर तोड़ देती है, ये जो यहाँ पे हमारा ऑटो ब्लॉक रीजन है, इसको ब्रेक कर देती है डाउन साइड पे, देन हम इसको यहाँ से सेलिंग कर सकते हैं, अग्रेसिव एंट्री, तब देखेंगे, ठीक है? Yeah, sorry. Sorry, Calvin. Like my mic was off. I turned it off. Actually, I was eating food. Okay, we had this stop loss of 20 pips. Okay. The first starting is always the bad one. हमेशा stop loss लग जाता है यार. What to do? Every time we face a stop loss, the first trade is always a stop loss. Please need price need to remain below 50. Yes, agree. Uh, for me, it's this zone. This is the zone. Yes, 55 and something. It should be below this for further bearishness. Okay, we have clean order block, right? So here we should wait for some confirmation. Okay. Otherwise we have an imbalance to the upside, right? So price might visit to यहाँ पे भी प्राइस जा सकती है. ठीक है, इसको मिटिगेट करने के लिए एंड इस हाइक को मैनिपुलेट करने के लिए. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कंफर्मेशन के लिए वेट करना ज़रूरी है. और बाई साइड के लिए टेंशन नहीं है अगर, क्योंकि ये 70 ब्रेक होता है उसी के बाद ही हम इसको फर्दर बाइंग के लिए देखेंगे, वरना इसको बाई साइड पे नहीं देखेंगे. एंड ओवरऑल इफ़ आई से ये बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग पैटर्न है. यहाँ पे क्यू एम पैटर्न बना हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं. तो वी हैव दिस हाई एंड वी हैव दिस लो. ठीक है, ओवरऑल ये तो बड़ा ज़बरदस्त पैटर्न है. ठीक है, उसी का एकदम टेस्ट हुआ था यार. एक्चुअली मैंने इसको नोटिस नहीं किया, वरना मैं भी एक सेल एंट्री ले ही लेता न्यूज़ से पहले. ओके ठीक है जी, ये हो गया ज़बरदस्त. यहाँ पे देखते हैं, प्राइसेस को आने दें, फिर यहाँ से सेलिंग की एंट्री ढूंढेंगे. और सी स्टॉप लॉस हिट करके ये वापस. दिस इज़ द वर्स्ट पार्ट आई हेट अबाउट गोल्ड. आफ्टर हिटिंग स्टॉप लॉस बहुत टाइट हो गया था स्टॉप लॉस एक्चुअली, दैट्स वाई. Okay, not to worry. If we see another breaker structure here, if we see a breaker structure here, so again we'll try another sell, but from here after retracement and then the continuation from this manipulation area. ठीक है, this time stop loss would be here, would be a bit of huge stop loss. ठीक है, so that's why we need money management properly and we'll try again. But it's all good. SL was bit tight, bro. Yes, that's what it was. Of 20 pips bit tight, so with the stop loss again it is coming down. It's the worst part. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. You're so active with the chat. हरमन हबीब सिंह नो साउंड. अभी आवाज़ आ रही है ना? ओके, हरमान पाजी है हमारे साथ. सो नाइस. ओनली कैल्विन इज चैटिंग विथ मी. व्हाट अबाउट अदर पीपल? बाकी लोग किधर हो? सी हमारा एंट्री इधर से था. दिस वाज आवर एंट्री and 55 pips with a 20 pip stop loss, but ah, listening to you, bro, thank you so much for being a nice listener. Okay, we at least 1 minute pay. We can see a structural break to the downside at least in 1 minute. If 15 minutes could confirm that, right? Agar if we see a down structure to the see a break of to the downside, and this line 2640, because you can see this was a previous resistance. It was a great support. If it breaks today, then I don't know where gold will go. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Just we need a retracement for now, and then we should go for sell once again. Super. Sell is good. It's trading below 42. Yes, Anji, you're correct. Dhruv Malhotra, how are you, sir? Yeah, I'm good. But Dhruv, how are you? How deep we could see gold drop? 2600 ये zone है. This is the zone. So a round figure, if I'll say 2610 to 2600, it is possible. It is very much possible. What we have there, we have yes, we have explained on that day, right? On the Tuesday, I guess. We have Fibonacci golden zone, that is a 61%. Also, we have the daily imbalance plus the support, right? So overall, we have liquidities below this. Gold should target this 2600 area. We have so much more moves left. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho ho. Will we get a chance? Will we get a chance for the sell? Don't do this. To the bottom of the ocean. Psychological level, very possible. Sell was missed on the retracement, unfortunately. Seriously, bro. It just took the stop loss, yeah. I gave it 20 pip stop loss, thinking that it would be fine. Just the above the high. Shit. And price almost dropped 100 pips from our entry. But after the stop loss. So leave it. No, I guess. Same something. अच्छा प्राइस आ रही है. All man, all good man, we keep moving. Yep. I think the movie is not over yet. We have something on our hand. Okay, so this is the zone, guys. This is the zone. Should we look for an aggressive entry? Again with a tighter stop loss. If it hits, again we'll enter, right? So stop loss I'm putting somewhere here. It is of 37 pips. Okay, this is, I'll keep it 30 pips, right? Because it's getting very difficult, to manage with tight stop loss. Please write levels, bro. It is 2640. Okay, you can see on the left hand side it is 2640 with a 30 pip stop loss, right? So again with the tighter stop loss we are going. Be very clear with your money management, right? And one thing I would suggest right now is that, okay, this is the selling level for now, and yes, the entry has activated right under the nose just right now. Okay, we had the entry activated, and yes, the thing I was saying that if you see a structural break to the upside again with the resistance here, even if gold manages to break again to the upside again, then probably it will go for a retest. With after a pullback, it'll go for a retest of this zone, right? That's why you should be very peculiar with the stop loss. And if it is continuing down, then this is the zone from where it should again go further to the downside. Oh, damn it. आवाज़ नहीं आ रही? आ तो रही है. माइक ऑन है मेरा यार एक्चुअली. गाइज, am I not audible? Okay, right. Then I think Harman Habib, you have some problem with your speakers maybe. आवाज़ आ रही. अच्छा, यही जोन है, ठीक है. फ़िलहाल यहाँ से प्राइस को गिरना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि यार स्टॉप लॉस बढ़ा था कि कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. If you have small SLs, we can recover it quickly with a single trade, right? That's why we should go with the tighter stop loss for now. Please, GC or analysis and you. Okay, we'll move to that, but yeah, let's first handle this one first. No, 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 no. Yeah. Again, he's going towards the SL. Oh, what is this? Okay. Back to entry point. I think we should delete this entry now. ठीक है guys, delete करो. मैं exit ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है, with some 4-5 pip loss or maybe an entry point. I'm deleting it, ठीक है. I'm taking exit from this because this is not expected, right? You can see that candle body has closed inside this zone. We should have seen a rejection at least. uh, uh, at least in 1 minute the candle body has closed to the upside, so not a good sign. Maybe it can push to the further to the upside. So I took an exit with a 10 pip stop loss. I took a 10 pip stop loss. You guys make an exit. Just looking for a confirmation here. Let's see. What is going on the higher time frame? 15 minute, 30 minute has closed to the downside. 1 hour also. 15 मिनट में क्या है? 15 मिनट में यहाँ पे इम्बैलेंस पड़ा हुआ है दो कैंडल के बीच में. सो यस, वेरी मच प्रोबेबिलिटी कि अपसाइड जा सकता है. सी, आई टोल्ड यू राइट. सो this price action was not a valid one, that's why I took an exit. All right, so it's time now that we should looking for bullish retracement to this imbalance zone. This is total imbalance and we should look for a retracement till this zone, and then further we can look for our sell side trade setup. ठीक है, this is the imbalance zone, and right now if gold retrace back to here, and then happily I can look for a buy again to this zone, because on the 5-minute time frame you can see that we had the consolidation. It's a support, यहाँ पे support बना, नीचे डाउन साइड फेक, वापस ऊपर से ये we can see a fake breakout and दोबारा ऊपर आ रहा है, और 5-minute टाइम फ्रेम में यहाँ पे प्राइसेस ने इम्बैलेंस क्रिएट कर लिया है. ठीक है, अब देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे वी हैव एन FVG राइट ओवर हियर. दिस इज़ द 5-minute FVG. अगर प्राइस सक्सेसफुली ऊपर क्लोज हो जाती है, ऑल्सो द प्रीवियस सपोर्ट के ऊपर, इफ़ आई जस्ट ड्रॉप टू लाइन चार्ट, अब देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो ये बहुत बेसिक तो नहीं, क्लासिक एंट्री मॉडल है अगर ये प्राइसेस ऊपर क्लोज हो जाती है तो. ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या होता है. कमिंग बैक, हाँ जी, इसीलिए मैंने ट्रेड पहले क्लोज़ कर लिया ना, क्योंकि प्राइस एक्शन मुझे फेवरेबल नहीं लग रहा था कि फर्दर यहाँ से सेल जा सकता है. वो कैंडल देख के, तो कैंडल देख के ही आइडिया हो गया था मेरे को, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही क्लोज़ कर लिया. और अदरवाइज़ फालतू का फिर 30 पिप का सेल चला जाता है ना. तो देखते हैं अभी यहाँ पे हमको चाहिए एक मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट, है ना जी. यहाँ पे एक सही स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट, और उसके बाद हम इसके रिट्रेसमेंट पे इसको कर सकते हैं यहाँ से बाय. बड़े मज़े से इसकी बाइंग की सेटअप बनेगी अगर यहाँ ऊपर साइड एक बार बाय ये ब्रेक कर देता है. ठीक है, मे बी टूल दिस जोन एंड लेट्स सी. और अदरवाइज़ अगर क्योंकि एक और बात है मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे इवन इन 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. ठीक है, मैं इस एरो को डिलीट कर देता हूँ. अब देखिए ज़रा यहाँ पे 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में ये टोटल इम्बैलेंस है राइट. ये हमारे प्रीवियस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक के और ये सेलिंग कैंडल के ये टोटल इम्बैलेंस है. तो प्राइस अगर यहाँ पे इस इम्बैलेंस को टैप करके नीचे गिरना चाह रही है, तो उस केस पे क्या होना चाहिए कि ये जो हमारा फ्लिप जोन बना है ना 1 मिनट में, इसका नलीफाई होना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये फर्दर हमारा नलीफाई करना चाहिए. ठीक है, इधर दिस राइट, और क्लियर डाउन. ठीक है, सो ये जोन है. दिस इज़ द प्राइस लेवल राइट. दिस इज़ द जोन फ्रॉम वेयर वी शुड टेक अ डिसीजन. either वी शुड बाय और either वी शुड सेल. ठीक है, अगर ये डायरेक्टली प्राइस यहाँ पे इम्बैलेंस को टैप करके आके, यहाँ पे इम्बैलेंस है ना ऊपर साइड पे, तो इम्बैलेंस को अगर मिटिगेट करके आके जस्ट नीचे डाउन साइड ब्रेक दे देता है, invert head and shoulder. Yes, you are correct. So I was explaining this, bro. This is the imbalance, right, in 15 minutes. So if price choose to tap in this imbalance first, and then we see a impulse move to the downside with the break of structure, this zone is, failing the flip zone, then it's a clear sell. But if you see some sort of rejection over here, as you are saying, it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Also, it's a very beautiful model, a bullish entry model, right? This is a very beautiful bullish entry model. This is the support being created, a manipulation, right? And we see a change of character, a retracement, and then further continuation. So we have different name for this. We can say, yes, reverse head and shoulder, reverse QM, anything is fine. It's fine. As long as you identify the pattern, it's fine. You name it anything. Okay, Zabardast. Price got this momentum and is going very impulsively to the upside. We'll see. Not to forget, this is our sell zone, right? ये भूलना नहीं आपने. अगर यहाँ पे कोई हमें कंफर्मेशन मिल जाता है, वी आर ऑल्सो बियरिश. ठीक है, ये सारे जोन से आपके सामने मार्क्ड है, सब कुछ आपके सामने गिवन है. The wait is just for confirmation. Everything is planned. We have all the plans ready. We have plan for the buy. We have plan for the sell. Everything is ready. ठीक है, just we need to be patient and just observe the price action, what it offers. Looks like instant correction is coming, and as point out before, the price remaining above 2630, that probably called buyers in. That's very nice and very clear instruction, bro. Yup. If there is any setup, please let us know. Calvin, bro, it's for you. If you have any setup with you in your mind, just please feel free to share here. ठीक है, so we also can make money with this smart money, guys. Yup, this is the zone for me. Maybe if I see a structural break to the upside, then probably I'll turn bullish again after a pullback. I will sell here with 20 pips stop loss. From where? 50. I think that prices has taken support from here after breaking this resistance, and might be it can retest this again soon. Okay, we have 54 another. This is the breaker block. Okay, I will mark it as well. Need to look at the chart. 30 minutes, 15 minutes is saying something. Bro, I think yes, it is going to mitigate all this imbalance, right? I think so. Let's see. This is also a zone. Saying I'll delete all this stuff. It's just irritating. Okay. For now, I think for these zones to be working out, I need a structure shift. ठीक है, it's clear for me. I need this. I need a structural shift, right? Then only I'll be interested to look in for sells from here. Otherwise, it may closed my sell with break even in just climbing. Yes. That's why I think we should wait patiently before taking any entry right now. For sells, my criteria would be it should close below the zone, a retest, and yes, continuation. Okay, this would be my criteria for sells. Otherwise, we have this zone. Okay, I will mark it as a supply zone. इतने सारे जोन हो गए ना, इतने सारे जोन हो गए. This is the only criteria for sell. That's it. The zone is good, but SL needs to be above 20. Yes, that's the point. For me, I think SL should be above 53. Okay, because this is the breaker block zone to the left hand side, or the manipulation area, whatever you say so. And yes, we'll just wait for confirmation. A sort of confirmation, a little bit of confirmation is enough just to break below this zone. In that case, our SL would be tighter. समझ रहे हो आप? अगर हम थोड़ा वेट कर लेते हैं ना, बजाय इसका हम यहाँ से एग्रेसिव एंट्री लें. अगर हम यहाँ से एग्रेसिव एंट्री ले भी लेते हैं तो स्टॉप लॉस जो है 30 पिप्स का होगा, 30 से 40 पिप्स, एंड उसका कोई एश्योरिटी नहीं है. बट अगर हम थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेते हैं कंफर्मेशन का कि प्राइस यहाँ से सप्लाई हैज़ ओवरपावर्ड, इन दैट केस और स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी टाइटर. हम देख लेंगे उस हिसाब से क्या बनता है, एंड दैट विल बी अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी सेटअप. Yes, हाँ जी. गोल्ड बेरिश है, राइट? For me also gold is bearish. I'm not looking into buys right now. Not until we see a structural break of 2662 at least. Otherwise, below that we are just bearish. And if I'll put a Fibonacci to see, I'll delete all this. Okay, what is the level right now? I think it is on the 61% right now. I think it's on the 61%. Just it has retested 61%. All right. Okay. Nice one. I think we should give it a try. What do you say? We should give it a try. Form 50 48. Acha. Oof, gold. Okay, we'll wait, yeah. Better we'll wait to close below this zone and then we'll put in ourselves. So wait कर लेते हैं. Okay, price has almost stopped there. Retesting it again and again. The momentum has stopped for a while, right? So it's a good sign. I can see that bearish pressure. Just I want to see that this zone is invalidated right now, and then we are good for entered again on a sell, right? Okay, all right. So I think we should give us a sell try from here, and stop loss should be above it for as much tighter as possible. What do you say? Again a 20 pips stop loss. That's what, see, my last try. Okay, I'll wait, bro. I'll wait for my confirmation because I don't trust this itchy bitchy gold. That's it. I'll wait for the structural break and then retest. I'll enter on sells. Okay, so Kelvin, bro, are you there with the entry again? Okay, so for once and all, price has stopped. We don't have any news at all. I should delete this for now. And yes, just focusing on the price action right now. For once and all, price has stopped the upside pressure for now. And let's see what could be done possibly. अभी यहाँ पे जो है ये जोन क्यों मार्क किया मैंने, ये देखा ना, ये प्रीवियस डिमांड जोन था और अभी ये काइंड ऑफ मैनिपुलेशन जोन बन चुका है. ठीक है, अगर मैं इसको 15 मिनट में टाइम फ्रेम में मार्क करूँ तो क्लियर नहीं है. 30 मिनट में इट्स ये टोटल पूरा ये जोन है. ठीक है, बिकॉज आप देखें कि एक मिनट आप, ये जो हमारा कल का फ्लिप जोन था, इन द सेंस कि क्या हुआ, कल प्राइस यहाँ पे बार बार यहाँ पे जब सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी उठ गई थी, दिस वाज द सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी राइट. तो ये सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी के बाद वी हैड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रेसिस्टेंस ओवर हियर राइट. सो प्राइस वन स्टार्टेड क्लाइंबिंग अप, वी सॉ दिस सेलिंग कैंडल. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज द मैनिपुलेशन कैंडल. आफ्टर दिस सेल कैंडल वी हैड एन इमीडिएट break through the upside right, and we had this major resistance. So price retested it very perfectly on the Asian session, and then it went up again. So this was the demand zone right, you can say where sellers got trapped looking at the candle or the manipulation zone. So at least price for the bullishness, price should have respected this, maybe a spike down, and then it should have continued to the upside. But with the news and all, with the break to the downside, okay right, so this was the zone. Acha ye chodo, price is moving more to the upside, upwards. That's the reason I don't trust gold. I just need confirmation before any entry. ठीक है, so this was the as I was explaining. ठीक है, मैं पीछे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था, ये मैनिपुलेशन जोन है राइट. सो ये मैनिपुलेशन जोन था जहाँ पे प्राइस इतनी देर तक स्टे कर रही थी. ये मैनिपुलेशन जोन में आप देखें कि प्राइस ने यहाँ पे कितनी बार रिजेक्शन लिया है. सो कितनी दफ़ा यहाँ पे स्टे कर रही है. जॉन डग, हे ब्रो, हाउ आर यू? आई एम डन. गोल्ड वेंट फॉर फुल करेक्शन, इज़ गेटिंग टू एन इंटरेस्टिंग एरिया दैट इज़ विल बी डिसाइडेड फॉर द डे. यस एब्सोल्युटली. सो for now also I'll delete this zone. ठीक है, and ultimately looking forward to this zone. Let's see. And not to forget, we have an imbalance. Anything could happen possibly. What could happen possibly? The best part, in the best case scenario, what could happen is, the best case scenario is we'll see a tap, and so we'll see a melting down in gold. ठीक है. The worst, not the worst, but the other part could be, it can, price can climb up for the manipulation, which I think it can do, because we have imbalance right, and we have just the supply order block. We don't have any prior swing high and swing low, so there is no liquidities below this area to target. We have liquidities above this area only. ठीक है, इसी के ऊपर असल्स होंगे. थिंक लाइक दैट. यहाँ से अगर कोई सेल लेगा तो इसके उनके असल कहाँ होंगे, इधर इस विक के ऊपर. सो प्रोबेबली यहाँ से मैनिपुलेशन हो सकती है, एंड फिर से अगर इस जोन के अंदर ब्रेकआउट हो जाता है, ब्रेक इन हो जाता है, देन तो फिर मौज ही मौज है. ठीक है, ये प्लान है. देखते हैं, बस सेलिंग का ही बायस है, बाइंग नहीं देख रहा हूँ मैं, अनटिल एंड अनलेस प्राइस अपने किसी प्रायर स्विंग हाई को, इसको 2667 टू बी एग्जैक्ट, इसको ब्रेक ना कर ले अपसाइड पे. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग इनटू एनी बाइस. हाँ, सो राइट नाउ हमारे पास अभी, if I'll move to line chart, आप देख सकते हो कि ये हमारे पास प्रीवियस रेसिस्टेंस था, ठीक है। ये रेसिस्टेंस के ऊपर यहाँ पे प्राइस ने सपोर्ट लिया है, कुड बी अ मैनिपुलेशन, देन अगेन डाउन साइड पे, देन सेल, ठीक है। सो लेट्स सी फॉर दिस, प्राइस को दोबारा डाउन साइड पे ब्रेक करना होगा, ठीक है। फिर जब ब्रेक डाउन साइड ब्रेक होगा, देन हम रिट्रेसमेंट पे इसको आराम से सेल पकड़ लेंगे, ठीक है। टेंशन वाली कोई बात नहीं है। I took a sneaky buy at 2634. Superb यार, अमेजिंग। ये तो क्या बात कर दी वीरे। You took a sneaky buy but you didn't tell someone. How rude is this? The bro said that 55 was right on his track. Well done, man. Amazing यार। We have so many talented people over here, ठीक है। Just they don't have the right platform to showcase that apart from the trading PNL. We need to learn from you guys. Hey Kelvin, what's the time there, bro? Where are you locating right now? The funny part is that I mentioned manipulation to the downside and then up as a long, it remains about 2630. Okay, okay, then you two get manipulated with the gold move and you're start looking for sells. Did you took the buy? No, I guess, because you also got manipulated. You forgot your plan. It was a nice plan actually. मैं चिप्स खा रहा हूँ यार अभी, ठीक है। सम I'm eating chips and just watching the price action and chatting with you guys. This is the best part, how we can skip the trading boredom. ट्रेडिंग बहुत बोरिंग काम है, ठीक है, अगर आप प्रोफेशनली ट्रेड करते हो तो। अदरवाइज़ अगर आप बहुत ओवर ट्रेडिंग करते हो ना, बाय सेल बाय सेल बाय सेल, राइट, तो उस केस पे इट बिकेम्स अ नाइटमेयर। बट अगेन सेम थिंग कि अगर आप प्रोफेशनली करते हो तो बहुत वेट करना पड़ता है अपने कंफर्मेशन के लिए। ओके, देखते हैं यार, यहाँ पे वेट करते हैं अभी। नो कन्फर्मेशन इज ऑफ। Anyways, guys, it was been fun. Thank you for your time, FX Zual. Amazing help as usual. Take care, all. Nice weekend. Thank you so much, bro. You are calling early weekend today, I guess. Okay, thank you so much, bro. You joined. You shared your views and added a lot of values to this. And I'm happy that you joined. ओके एंड गाइस हम लोग को अभी कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी तक हमारे हाथ कुछ लगा नहीं है. ओह सॉरी मोहम्मद साहिल, यू थैंक्स ब्रो था. जॉन डॉ, थैंक यू सो मच ब्रो. टू यू आल्सो फॉर जॉइनिंग. इफ यू हैव एनी सेटअप, sneaky setup, just let us know. We'll go full margin with that, I assure you. Any losses? You were responsible. Just kidding, bro. EU, Euro USD. Thank you as well. Full margin gang only. Yep, full margin gang. Acha, so Euro USD. Okay. Okay. So why Euro USD is falling? If we see a correlation between a dollar index and euro, so we are trading on a alternate currency pairs, right? If dollar is getting strengthened, then euro should fall, right? Make it a clear in a pictorial way. Okay. So should I explain in English or in Hindi? Tell me, jaldi jaldi. So should I explain this in English or in Hindi, guys? In the comment section, jaldi batao. John Duck full margin gang on D. Yep, brother. We go big or we go home. That's the only thing we do. So today a lot of people has gone to home. English. Okay, all right. So we have both will do. Thank you so much. We have euro, we have USD on the right hand side. So we are trading on an alternate pair, right? So if US dollar is getting strengthened, if we are getting a strength in US dollar, right, then on the vice versa euro will drop, right? Euro should drop because one is getting strengthened. And if dollar is getting weak, if US dollar is getting weak, euro should pump, right? Simple thing, very basic. So we had news today, right? NFP, and which was great, super positive, right? We had average earnings. Every news was very positive and hence adding strength to dollar index, right? So as dollar index is getting strengthened, euro USD is falling. So next time if you are trading any financial news, right, like NFP or NFP or maybe CPI, anything else, if you are watching those high impact news, you can trade on alternate pairs also. See, not only gold, you can trade on other pairs as well. If US dollar is getting strengthened, if you see a positive number, then most probably euro should fall as it has fallen, and GBP USD also should fall, I guess so. Yes, so we saw the fall, right? In GBP USD you could see this was the news move. So how much was it? It was 100 pips. Okay. So looking at the pair, we can't expect much. And euro USD fall, how many pips? Yes, again 70 to 80 pips. Yes. So this is the thing goes with the news, right? Once news effect is over, it will start looking for its technical against. Okay. Again it will follow the technicals, and right now ये पूरा अपने डिमांड जोन पे ही है. So I'll delete all this. We didn't see a market such a shift. We didn't took entry, right? So okay, so I'll delete this and instead I'll mark this. ये daily time frame में will go in for lower time frame. Why so? Because gold हमारे पास यूरो यूएसडी इट वाज वी हैव बुलिश प्राइस एक्शन राइट. जो प्राइस एक्शन है वो बुलिश है. Hence we should look for buys, entries and target the trend line. I have told you on the other day. So 4 hour time frame में 4 hour time frame में if I'll see, I will mark this extreme zone. ठीक है. This one and another is this one. ठीक है. These are the two zones. ठीक है. You should start looking for buy, but yes, only after confirmation. So right now the structure shift would be on the upper side, even in 5 minutes also. Okay, in 5 minutes you have very minor structure formed, right? So once you see a market structure shift in 5 minutes, then you can start taking buy entries, and stop loss should be below this low. I think it would be some 10 pips or something, right? And then you should start looking for the highs. And if I will speak about on the higher time frame, the higher time frame should be this is the last structure. So you should wait for an structural shift to the upside in higher time frame, and then you wait for a pullback shift, a pullback from the supply. You see a supply on the left hand side, which is unmitigated one, a pullback, and then probably you can look for buys again. So yes, only buy as of now. As I have explained you, there is nothing much in higher time frame, but we have a smaller structure formed in 5 minute time frame, so I guess it will help. Euro USD done. Whosoever asked, follow Zual, not me. Sorry, I missed that part. Hey, it's okay, bro. Imran Zual, but overall the XY's major structure is bearish. Yes, that's what major structure is bearish. I understand that, but for the time being, it is gaining that support. Yesterday we had drawn this, if you could see. So Kelvin, I think you are leaving the chat. Thank you, brother. Have a good night. Have a good day ahead. For you, it's a day, and enjoy your weekend, buddy. See you on the Telegram. So this ये एनालिसिस हम लोग कल कर रहे थे, ठीक है. ये डॉलर इंडेक्स है और ये डेली का टाइम फ्रेम है. तो कल प्राइस यहाँ पे थी, देखिए ये आज का डेली कैंडल है. तो कल प्राइस यहाँ पे थी, तो हम कह रहे थे कि प्राइस अपने इस सप्लाई को टारगेट करने के लिए जा रहा है, ठीक है. ओके, प्राइस अपनी सप्लाई को टारगेट करने के लिए जा रहा है. तो लेट्स सी कि ये यहाँ पे क्या करता है, कि ये यहाँ पे बेरिश हो जाता है. अगर ये यहाँ से बेरिश हो गया, then probably gold will start flying, and it can take all that all time highs and all, ठीक है. अगर ये यहाँ पे बुलिश फ्लिप हो जाता है इन एनी केस, तो डॉलर में तो स्ट्रेंथ आ जाएगा, राइट. तो सॉरी आई एम रियली सॉरी. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अगर ये यहाँ से दोबारा सेल साइड पे आने लग जाता है, ठीक है, एज आवर डेली टाइम फ्रेम इज़ बेरिश, राइट. बट नॉट टू फॉरगेट, आप अगर स्ट्रक्चर वेरी वेल, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कि ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन अ मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट, राइट, ऑन द डेली टाइम फ्रेम, which is not a smaller time frame at all. It is a very huge time frame, and we cannot neglect this at all, ठीक है. We had our Q1 pattern for the buy, and dollar index started moving to the upside, and we have our market structure shift to the upside. We had our internal structure shift here. This is the external structure. Also now it has appeared to an supply level, ठीक है. So if we see a retracement, if it is falling down directly, then gold will go up, right. But what I am saying is that it will consider the supply zone, okay, and if it start falling down and again respects this structure area or resistance zone, and gives a tap over here, then if it's turned bullish, definitely we are seeing a long term fall on gold, okay. That's what we are looking into gold right now, right? So this is another supply area, and it can easily target this one, right? So yes, you are correct that it is bearish, but not to forget that it has turned bullish. Already we have seen a market structure shift in daily time frame, which is not a smaller time frame at all, right? So keep in mind. Looking at the dollar index, we can see that, we can say that, and or acha US 2-year bond now fully off. Nice weekend all. Thank you so much, bro. I didn't call the buy as per my analysis, so ignore me, please. It's okay, bro. Nothing, not to worry about. अच्छा, 2-year bond yield में क्या है? 2-year bond yield, yes, again you can see that because of this news, we had a very strong news for the dollar index, जो dollar index को strength किया है. So everything, bond yields and everything are rising up. ठीक है. So अच्छा, bond yield अगर rise कर रहा है तो गोल्ड को भी नीचे ड्रॉप होना चाहिए, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, कि अगर डॉलर इंडेक्स में स्ट्रेंथ आया है तो गोल्ड को ड्रॉप होना चाहिए. सो अनटिल अनलेस ये फिर से यहाँ से सेल होने लगे, फिर जाके गोल्ड का प्रोबेबली अपसाइड की तरफ बनता है. ठीक है. This was the last support. We had a liquidity sweep of the support. It was the very last support. ठीक है. And this is a major supply area right now in daily time frame. So let's see. तो सारी चीज़ें अगर बुलिश होने लग गई ना यहाँ से, तो फिर गोल्ड नीचे आपका ड्रॉप होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ठीक है. द 2 years bond yield, the second 10 years bond yield, see everything has turned bullish and things are changing from all your very significant level से ही चेंज हो रहा है. ठीक है. अभी डॉलर इंडेक्स भी बुलिश हो रहा है. उस हिसाब से गोल्ड को भी बाइंग फेवर नहीं मिल पा रहा है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट. इमरान प्रांदावाला, या आस्क मी व्हाट द क्वेरी इज़ अबाउट. ओके, नाइस. गोल्ड इज़ ड्रॉपिंग. We have our zone marked. We need a break of structure to the downside here. Then only on retracement we can look for sells. Other than not, we are just waiting. If yield moves up, it will affect immediately on gold for sell, or it takes time. Everything takes time. It doesn't mean that yield is going right now and straight away gold will start to fall. Not like that. Because since how it will work is that if yields are rising, right, so people will take out their money from gold and they'll start investing in yields, government bond yields, which will give interest, right? Because gold is a risker index asset, sorry, because it is very volatile. It can move up and down quickly, so it's a riskier asset. That's why people will prefer, it's safe haven in the war like situation, but it's a risky asset, right? So in that case, people will start investing in bond yields again if they are giving good returns, because as they are to the lowest price right now, so in later years they will start giving more interest. That's why people will invest money there. In that case, we can see profit booking in gold, and in vice versa, gold can drop. You're welcome, bro. अच्छा जी. कोई एंट्री नहीं बन पा रही है यार, ना बाइंग हो रही है ना सेलिंग हो रही है. क्या चल रहा है? ना हमने बाई किया ना हमने सेल किया तो एसएल लग गया. मतलब चल क्या रहा है? कोई एंट्री अभी तक नहीं बन पाई है. जस्ट सिटिंग एंड वेटिंग, एंड पीपल हैव मेड सो मच मनी टुडे. लोगों ने बाई कर लिया, सेल कर लिया, हम बैठे हुए हैं बस. गोल्ड का कुछ इरादा सही नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को यार, व्हाट इज़ दिस। तीसरा डिलीट कर देते हैं ना, अभी जो होना था काम तमाम हो गया है, अभी कुछ बचा नहीं है। अब देख सकते हैं गोल्ड ने क्या रिकवरी की है, ज़बरदस्त रिकवरी की है, मतलब जितना ड्रॉप आया है उतना वो ऊपर आ चुका है। 200 पिप वो वापस उसने रिकवरी कर लिया, मतलब सेंटिमेंट कितना बुलिश है। दिस शोज़ द सेंटिमेंट। ठीक है, ये तो जो सेल हुआ वो न्यूज़ का इफेक्ट था, इट हैज़ बिन डन। जो न्यूज़ ने करना था वो न्यूज़ ने कर लिया है, और अभी जो है वो सेंटिमेंट वर्क कर रहा है। ठीक है, जो लोगों का सेंटिमेंट है एंड जो एक्चुअल वो वर्क कर रहा है, मतलब सेंटिमेंट कितना बुलिश है, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय दैट। ठीक है, लोगों का एक ही डर है कहीं वार ना लग जाए, कहीं कुछ हो ना जाए, तो गोल्ड जितने सस्ते में मिलता है उतना ख़रीदो बस। ठीक है, कहीं उधर मिडिल ईस्ट में कुछ हो ना जाए, तो गोल्ड जहाँ मिलता है बस ख़रीदो। यही मेंटेलिटी लेके लोग घूम रहे हैं, और दस द रीज़न जितना ड्रॉप होता है तुरंत ऊपर चला जाता है। देखिए ये कल, अच्छा ये कल ड्रॉप आया, ये कितना ऊपर चला गया, ये आज ड्रॉप आया वापस ऊपर चला गया। तो सेटअप तो मेरे पास ये है। ठीक है, अगर प्राइसेस यहाँ पे आ जाती है सक्सेसफुली, सो दिस विल बी अ लॉन्ग टर्म सेटअप फ्रॉम माय साइड, कि ये यहाँ से एंट्री बने। ठीक है, और इसका स्टॉप लॉस होना चाहिए इधर इस हाई के ऊपर। कितने पिप का स्टॉप लॉस बन रहा है, आई विल गिव इट अ 40 पिप स्टॉप लॉस। ठीक है, इसका ये 40 पिप्स का स्टॉप लॉस, और ऑल द वे अगेन टू दी डाउन साइड। ठीक है, ये सेटअप है मेरे पास फॉर नाउ, बट लेट्स सी पहले प्राइसेस को यहाँ आने दें, क्या करता है वो देखने की बात है। ठीक है, ये थोड़ी हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी सेटअप है, दिस इज़ अ लो प्रोबेबिलिटी वन फ्रॉम द डाउन साइड। ठीक है, हाँ जी, कोई क्वेश्चन एनीथिंग। ये वाला जो है ना, ये थोड़ा सा हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी मेरे लिए बन रहा है, मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ पे आता है तो कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर मिलेगा, एटलीस्ट 1 आर तो मिल जाएगा मेरे हिसाब से। और ये थोड़ा सा लो प्रोबेबिलिटी एरिया है, ये लिक्विडेट हो सकता है मेरे ख्याल से जितना मुझे लग रहा है, बट देखते हैं क्या होता है। ठीक है, थोड़ा इंतज़ार करते हैं यार, अच्छी सेटअप मिल जाएगी। जैसे कल हम इंतज़ार किया था ना, यहाँ पे इंतज़ार, फिर ये अच्छी सेटअप ऐसे मिली थी, तो मे भी हो सकता है आज भी वही हो। ठीक है, तो मैं एक कॉफ़ी ब्रेक लेने जाता हूँ। ठीक है, गोइंग फॉर अ ट्री ब्रेक, विल बी बैक इन 10 मिनट्स। ठीक है, गला सूख गया है बोलते बोलते थोड़ा चाय पानी पी लेते हैं फिर वापस आते हैं। ठीक है, और अगर कुछ चेंजेस दिखता है मेरे को, मेरा फ़ोन है मेरे पास, मैं तुरंत आता हूँ अपडेट देने के लिए। ठीक है, फ़िलहाल के लिए तो ये सेटअप है मेरे पास, बहुत ज़बरदस्त हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी सेटअप है ये। अदरवाइज़ ये कोई नीचे शिफ्ट करता है ना स्ट्रक्चर, फिर देखते हैं अब। ठीक है, जस्ट कीप वॉचिंग टिल देन।